Good day, my friends. Today we have new lesson about letter L. How it looks like, the sound of L, and how can we write it. Then at the end we're gonna take some few words about letter L. How letter L looks like. That's L. Oh. How can we write it? Straight line from up to down, then a dash to the right side. Small L, straight line from up to down, and that's it. So simple, right? How it sounds? Oh. Oh. L is for ladder. Ladder. When there is something high, we can climb up the ladder, the steps of the ladder, to reach what's up and high, and cannot reach it when we're standing on the ground. Ladder. Leaf. That's a leaf of the plant. Ladybug. Do you remember ladybug? Ladybug is an insect. Lamp. 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 Another lamp? Yeah. We can switch it on to make light around us to read something, or we can see each other through the light that comes out of the lamp. So L is for lamp and for light. L is for lion, the king of the zoo. Lion. Lollipop. Lollipop. Would you like to sing a song for letter L? Let's sing a song. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. Do you like this song? Is for lady. Lady is a woman. L is for land. Land. Like when the airplane lands.
Lake. Lake.
Lock. We can use it to lock the door. We can use it to lock anything. L is for lemon. L is for lizard. Today's lesson is finished. See you next class. Bye.